Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am playing Mining Simulator. Right now I am opening my chest. Let's see, what am I gonna give? Ooh! That is very cool. It has like flying. Ooh! The world's collapsed, which means that you can actually get coins and stuff. I might be able to rebirth. And yes, there's rebirthing in this game. Let's get some. Please say I can rebirth. I need to rebirth. Let's get all of these. I cannot rebirth. I'm very close though. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into my inventory and I'm gonna put on this. Equipped. Look what I have on my pet, guys. It's so cute. So cool. Okay. I got godly wings again. I got flaming. So I got two of those, two of these. I think I'm gonna get rid of you. Let's see what you are. Okay, let's get it. Ooh, what did I just get? I got frost horns. Yes, I got the Shurg, Dominus. I have two of them now. Two. Ooh, I got some wings. I want to open all of them, but I can't because I have so much. Oh, I got a really cool Dominus. Oh my goodness. That's so cool. Yes, and I got 900, so I got lots more though. And of course, I'm not going to open them all. Fire wings. Cool. I want like one of everything at least. Godly wings again. Ugh. I got eye poppers. I think I already have one of those. Yeah, now I have three of them. They're not that good, so I'm going to sell all but one. Actually, I'm going to sell two. Please, please say can rebirth. Hmm. Let's actually sell bees. I'm going to sell all but one. I still can't rebirth. Seriously. Okay, I'm going to stop opening chests, and I'm going to mine. So this is what you do in the game. You just mine all the way down. And these give you coins. They don't give you, they all give you coins, like, see? But yeah, let's just keep it digging down. Oh, and in this game, you also have quests. If you guys don't already, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications in 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys did it in that time, make sure you guys comment down below. Dinosaurs. Because we are in dinosaur world. I can rebirth again. Let's. I just rebirthed. Now I have 5 rebirths. Woo woo. I get 5 rebirths. Let's see how many. I just fell through the world. Are you serious? Let's move you guys. And let's reset my character. Okay, there you go. Then we'll move you guys again. Okay, let's see. Did I complete my quest? 16 armor, 18 flat accent, and 20 credits. I'm hogging the wall so I don't go flying. Oopsies. Oh, I gotta take out my weapon. I'm actually gonna go to the surface because I need to start my own home. Because I can't mine those 10. So I just started again, so I'm gonna have to go up a whole bunch of times. And I have the first weapon. I wanna use my rebirth coins, but I don't have enough to buy anything I want. I want the permanent a million thing, so you don't have to keep on going. Oh, I have to sell so fast. Jeez. Okay, I think I'm gonna buy something now. I'm at 5,000. Let's see how much it costs to rebirth again. It costs 60 million. That went up by a mil. No, actually 10 mil. Let's do backpacks. I am not in my 10,000, so let's buy this. Guys, I'm gonna be right back. I gotta get a drink. Okay, and guys, before I forget to tell you that, I actually got introduced to this game by my amazing brother, Sean. He's amazing. He actually made it, so I know all about this game. And now this is kind of like the only game I play now. So yes. Shop, let's buy something else. Backpacks. 70 mil. 75, I think I'll just buy you and then use the rest for a tool. I still have 25,000, so let's see what I can buy. 27, so let's buy a wrench. Okay, to the surface we go. Let's start mining. Ooh. And I have to sell. But I get so much money for selling, it's okay. So let's buy nothing. Wait, I think I can buy something. I'm just trying to save up for something, so let's see if I can buy it. Let's see. It's in the 1 mils. I think I'm gonna save up for that. But for now, let's buy a backpack. I cannot buy you, so we're gonna buy you. 6,000. Oh, and I have a really cool hack. You can press go to surface, and then instead of walking all the way from back there to here, you can just press go to surface. And we're at surface. Now I can hold so much more. Right now we're just mining away. Okay, now I'm gonna fall through this hole. I actually made a little bit of this hole. We're gonna fall through it. Whew. How far down are we? We're pretty dang far down. And I'm gonna start a new hole. Ugh, so that I can't. Oh, I'm in my 2 mils. Wait, how much was it? I think it was 1 mil, so I think I can buy it now. Or I think, what should I do? Should I do that? Or should I save for a better backpack? I think I'm gonna buy it because I'll have 1 mil left. 3, 2, 1. I bought it. Woo-woo. And then let's buy a better backpack. Okay, we're gonna buy this. It can hold 25,000. Now let's go to the surface. And now let's dig my own hole. Because I think, wait, no, I think I'm gonna go fall down a different hole. Because that hole is really far down and somebody's actually digging in it. So right now we're just digging down. I'm gonna be back when I'm in the pink. Okay. I'm gonna be there in 3 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we are in the pink now. We are 298 deeps on a feet down. I'm in my 36 millions. And I decided not to buy anything. I'm going to not buy anything because it's just gonna, you know. Ready? Set. That's what that does. It just, you know. Well, let's dig. Let's collect all of these worth good values. Okay, so we are so far down right now. So let's keep on digging until we find something. I'm gonna be right back and go get a drink. Okay, guys, so I went down the hole and I actually hit a jackpot. That's 2 mil. That's 1 mil. This is 1 mil. 3 mil. This is not as much, but you can still deal with it. And we found this 5 million. 1 mil, not as much. 3 mil, this is not as much. I have no clue where my hole is, so let's see. That's not it. Where's the hole? We're still finding really good stuff though. Okay guys, so I was having trouble and I'm back. Let's start digging farther down. Wait, I think I can rebirth again. 60 million. Just rebirth. How many rebirths do I have, guys? I have 6 rebirths. Which means that when I'm back in the paint, guys, when I buy better weapons and everything, when I buy better weapons and stuff, I'm gonna be back. And then I'm gonna end the video, okay? Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm in a new world. Bye!